Unlocking flexibility, yoga split exercises for beginners. Welcome to our journey into the world of yoga split exercises, designed to enhance your stretching capability and flexibility, especially for beginners. Starting with a warm-up is crucial. Incorporate simple ankle rolls and gentle leg shakes to awaken your muscles, preparing them for deeper stretches. Our first pose targets the hamstrings. Gently ease into a forward fold, reaching for your toes. Hold and breathe, feeling the stretch along your legs. Transition into a low lunge, aligning your front knee over the ankle. This pose opens up the hip flexors, a key area for splits. Introduce the half split by straightening the front leg from the low lunge. Flex your foot towards you, deepening the hamstring stretch on the front leg. To enhance flexibility, incorporate the butterfly pose. Sit, press the soles of your feet together, and gently press your knees towards the ground with your elbows. For a deeper hip opening, try the pigeon pose. Stretch one leg back and bend the front leg across your mat. Hold and breathe deeply. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these poses daily, gradually increasing the time you hold each pose to improve your flexibility and work towards a full split. End your session with a cool down. Return to a comfortable seated position and take deep breaths, allowing your body to absorb the benefits of your practice.